Hey, good morning, everyone. So this is Jey Ganesan from SphereSkill Technology, and I'm happy to see you all in a new video. And today, let us see how to read the old mails from the outbox and then convert each and every mails into Excel-based transaction. What is the subject? Who is the sender? What is the attachment name? So those things, let us see today. In the last video, we have seen what is the new email which comes into your inbox. So those emails, we were been reading it live and then creating a table in Excel and inserting a transaction into the Excel. So if you guys have not gone through the video, pick up the card and then go through the video so that it will be continuous and you will get more information about this. So this is going to be completely a offline based version. It's like, offline based. When I say it, we are going to use it online only, but it is not on a live based version. Okay, so which will be like button when we click it, so which we you will be able to execute it on schedule, or it will be on schedule. So whereas the previous one will be like a live, so anything which comes in which will be picked up. So that is how this two will be getting differentiated. And I'm really sorry that I was not able to continuously post the videos due to my engagements. However, I will try the possibility to complete the Excel with the capstone project by this weekend, and we will try to start a new chapter by next week. Okay, so stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and do follow me. And if you like this video, share it with your friends interested in it. Okay, so without any further delay, let us get it started, guys.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
So welcome back, guys. So as I have told you, today we are going to see scheduled based automate. Okay, so this is a full flow I have created, but if you want to create it from the first, I will show you how you can able to create it. So you have a create here. So in the create, we have cloud automate, right? So the cloud automate is something which we have seen in the last time. So you might be never like how to create the cloud automate, which will be working only for the live emails which is coming across. So our target is to read the existing emails also from the mailbox, right? For this, we are going to use the scheduled cloud flow. Otherwise, we can also use a on demand also. So when you are going with the schedule, you can be able to select which time it has to run, what is the schedule name here. Okay, so which time it has to run, what is the repeating time. Okay, so if you put this with the repeating moment, this schedule will be executed by the scheduled frequency. Okay, so based on this, a new automate can be created. Okay, so let us go to my flow. So in which I will be having the two set of flows. So one is the mail details. You see, this is like a on demand live. It is not on demand. Sorry, it's a live. So, but this is like a read existing email. So on demand, if you want, you can run it from here. But if you want to see what is been the content, then we will go here and then we will check it. Okay. So what we have done. So we have a resource here, recurrence. Okay, so in the recurrence, so what we have created is we have created get email. Okay, so recurrence is when you want to execute it, what is the frequency it has to come. So those details we will be putting across, which is basically nothing but your schedules. So here we have seen last time get email version v3 will be used for your Outlook. Okay, so Outlook Office 365 based emails, you can able to get it from v3. So where to get v3? If you ask me, you can go here, you can put click plus. So this will be like a addition of a process flow. Get email v3, if you type it, you will get a details get email v3. So from here you can able to get it. So once you get it, you will get a properties here. So in the properties, what are the emails you would like to bring in into the Excel transactions and attachments? Okay, so those things you can filter. For example, you want to filter from a particular email person. Okay, so you can put their name, and then if it is a particular subject, you can put the subject also, which is having a filter, in which folder it has to be. In like that, multiple ways you can able to create this filter and get required content, because you might be receiving 100 plus emails a day. So you feel like, I don't want to read and all emails, I don't want to create transaction. This is the best way to filter it. So I have included the attachment here as well, because we are going to capture the attachment. So how are we capturing the attachment? We have created the loop. Okay, so how we can create a loop from here? If you click add, you can able to add apply to each. So basically what will happen, it will happen like it will be applying to each and every email. So for one email, the loop will be executed. Then next email, once again the loop will be executed. So once you select it, you will be having a apply to each. In this, we are finding the attachment. Okay, so because we are going to extract the attachment. So inside the content, we are creating a OneDrive. Okay, so how do you create this? Create file. If you create a file, you can able to get it. So if you ask me where to get create file, just a similar way, everywhere when you click plus, you can able to create a flow. So what you have to type, create file, search for the action, create file. So create file, when you do, the flow will be added. This step is added here. See now, where you want to go and save this? In the email attachment. If you click on this, automatically your OneDrive business folders will be listed out. From there you can go and then you can choose the folder where the attachment has to be saved. Last time, you guys remember, we have saved it into the attachment folder, but now we are saving into a different folder. So OneDrive, I will show you that difference. So here, what is the file name of the file, what it has actually has come in the email. Then what is the file content of the file, what is actually come in the email. That's all, very simple, right? You don't need to write a complex queries or complex statement here in order to achieve this. So this is why Power Automate is very powerful and easily achievable. Okay, so we have able to save the attachment by this point in time. Now, right, we have received this. Next, what step? We have to create a table. Okay, similar way, you click on the plus symbol. See here, end plus is there. No, similar way, here you click on the plus, add a row into a table. That is the action. Very simple, right? Into a table. So you will be getting the details. Select that, and then you can do. See, there are so many details are there. Even you can create table, get table, multiple details are there. Multiple flows are possible. This is a very vast subject. We are just seeing to one limited. Okay, so add a row. What we are going to do, we are going to save it into a OneDrive business Excel folder, and then what we are going to save in OneDrive libraries. Okay, what is the file name? Email transactions dot xlxs. Okay, so how do we get it? Because I have saved this. Where it is available? If you found here, email transaction dot xls. So I will show you that also. There we have created a table email log, and from there I am mapping each and everything. Okay, first serial number, received date and time, from to receipts, and then subject, body preview, id, name, and then saving location path. This is the path in which the file attachment is being saved, right? Okay, so now shall we execute this? Okay, so if you need to execute, how can you do this? You can able to click test. So if you want to choose automatically, when we are recently used to trigger, okay, test successful, along with that you can do it. Otherwise, based on the schedules, you can do it. If not, you can do it manually also. So if you do manually, what you have to do, you have to run the flow. Last time, you guys remember, when we are testing manually, we are waiting for an email to trigger an action, right? Now we have a run flow. This is on click of the button. Okay, it is like a demand, we can say. So when we click on this button, you guys can see here, so it is capturing all the mails and then creating the transactions and then the attachments into the folder. So this process will be running. Here you can see your flow is running. This process will be running until all the emails from the mailbox is being completed. Okay, see now it is being completed. What is being completed, we can able to see the status as well. So here you will get the history. So what are the records it's been created? See, these are the success details, and the failure details also will be appearing here. Now let us see two more things how the Excel is being created. Okay, see, this is the Excel. So here you all know how to create the table. So we have seen multiple videos where we can able to create the tables, right? So this is the attachment path which we have created, received date, time, when it was actually received. Okay, so last time when I am posting the video, this was been created. Okay, so what is the message ID, attachment, saved path, these things we have capturing it into this. See here, this many mails has come across. Whatever the mails are there, those mails and all, it is been received. See, this is a DMARC aggregate report which is being sent by Microsoft. Okay, so we have seen how, what is the email, how to configure the DMARC records, and how to enhance the DMARC, right? So in one of the video email deliverabilities, so under that these mails are been received. So when and all it is been received, see, this many records are being created on click of a button, right? So we can have all the emails whichever it has been there in this one, we can able to get it. So not only that, what is the content of that one also we are getting. We are getting what is the email ID where the attachment is going to be saved. So this is the Excel which we have seen. See, up to close to 52 records are being created. So the difference, guys, that is live. This is like a schedule or on demand, where you can able to run what is been existing records in Outlook. There it will be live. Existing will not be taken care. Okay, that is the difference. Now we will go to the folder. Okay, so this is the folder. So here, whatever the files are there, this will be saved. See, it is like a 1 minute before it has been saved. So where I have chosen it, I have chosen it in the email attachment. The previous attachment list, we have got it in the attachment, right? So that I have cleared it. So here we have a email attachment. So sorry, I have used mail, I guess. So 1 minute. Yeah. So here is the mail and mail attachment details we are captured. Similar way, email attachment we are. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So this is a very simple video where you can able to enhance your Power Automate to the next level using your scheduler. So that is the concept of this video. Hope you guys have understood. And if you have any questions or clarification, you can reach out to me. You can leave me a comment. I will be glad to address all of you guys, and we can enhance our Excel skills. Please share this video with your colleagues and friends. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and do share. Follow me on my YouTube and also on our Facebook, right? I will see you soon in the next video where we can do a capstone project and continue with a new topic from next week. This is Jey Ganesan signing off for today. I wish you all a good day ahead. Thank you, everyone.